Hybrid cables combine power and data transmission into a single cable, offering a streamlined approach to installation and potentially reducing the number of conduits needed in a building. When working with hybrid cables, especially in a commercial setting like a hotel in Florida, it's crucial to adhere to manufacturer's specifications and local building codes, particularly the National Electrical Code, or NEC. It's important to select the correct cable size and type to handle both the power and data requirements of the intended application. Consider the voltage and current ratings of the power conductors, as well as the data transmission characteristics of the data conductors. The NEC provides guidance on conductor ampacity, insulation types, and wiring methods. Refer to NEC Table 310.15b16 for allowable ampacities of insulated conductors rated up to and including 2000 volts. Ensure the cable is listed and labeled for its intended use. Proper grounding is essential for safety and to minimize electromagnetic interference. The NEC outlines grounding requirements in Article 250. Pay close attention to bonding requirements to create a low impedance path for fault current. When installing hybrid cables in conduit, it's important to select the correct conduit size to accommodate the cable fill. NEC Chapter 9 provides tables for conduit fill calculations. Remember to use appropriate fittings and connectors that are listed for use with a specific type of cable and conduit. Support the conduit properly to prevent stress on the cables and connections. Avoid sharp bends in the conduit, as this can damage the cables and reduce their lifespan. When terminating the cables, follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. Use appropriate tools and techniques to ensure secure and reliable connections. Test the power and data circuits after installation to verify proper operation. This includes testing for voltage, current, continuity, and data transmission speed. Label the cables clearly to identify their function and destination. This will simplify future maintenance and troubleshooting. Hybrid cables are available in various configurations, including shielded and unshielded versions. Shielded cables provide additional protection against electromagnetic interference and are recommended for environments with high levels of electrical noise. When selecting a hybrid cable, consider the environmental conditions in which it will be installed. Choose a cable that is rated for the appropriate temperature range, moisture levels, and exposure to chemicals or sunlight. Use a cable with a sunlight-resistant jacket for outdoor applications. When installing hybrid cables in a hotel, it's important to coordinate with other trades such as HVAC and plumbing contractors to avoid conflicts and ensure a smooth installation process. Follow all safety precautions when working with electrical power and data cables. De-energize circuits before working on them, and use appropriate personal protective equipment such as gloves and eye protection. Consider hiring a qualified electrical contractor with experience in hybrid cable installations. A qualified contractor will have the knowledge and expertise to ensure that the installation is done safely and correctly. Contractors in Florida that specialize in hybrid cable installations can provide valuable assistance. These professionals understand the specific requirements and challenges of working with this type of cable in the Florida climate and regulatory environment. Remember to obtain all necessary permits and inspections before starting the installation. This will help ensure that the installation complies with all applicable codes and regulations. Regular maintenance is essential to ensure the long-term reliability of hybrid cable installations. Inspect the cables and connections periodically for damage or wear, and repair or replace them as needed. Consider using a cable management system to organize and protect the cables. This will help prevent damage and make it easier to troubleshoot problems. Keep accurate records of the cable installation, including the cable type, size, length, and location. This information will be helpful for future maintenance and troubleshooting. When troubleshooting problems with hybrid cables, start by checking the power and data connections. Make sure that the connections are secure and that there is no corrosion or damage. Use a multimeter to check the voltage and current levels. Use a cable tester to check the data transmission speed. If you are unable to resolve the problem yourself, contact a qualified electrician or data technician. Remember that working with electricity can be dangerous. If you are not comfortable working with electrical power, contact a qualified electrician. PowerCom.com offers technical support for hybrid cable installations. Structured Cabling Industries provides sales support for structured cabling solutions. JMC Advanced Technologies has an engineering department that can assist with complex cable installations. VADA World Security and Technology Services offers project management support for technology projects. Converge Technologies has a business development department that can help with identifying opportunities for hybrid cable installations. It's recommended to contact multiple contractors for quotes and to discuss their experience and qualifications in this specific type of installation.